Is he getting kissed? I can't see. Adler's head was in the way.
Careful.
Whoa, right into the table. That's the problem with having an 80-pound dog and a little kid. Adler's gentle in her own way. Look, these two have playmates now. They're each other's playmate. When Austin's being nice. Austin, come get Adler. And cheer it. No hitting.
Grab the alligator.
Oh, give her a kiss. Say, I love you, sister. Aw, good job.